Hello everyone, good day. Welcome again to this educational video. I am Aliana Gia Lulud from BZ Math 3A, studied at Kepalong College of Agriculture Sciences and Technology. And for today's video, I am going to discuss the measure of central tendency. Let's get started. In this module, data sets and how to use the operations of mean, median, and mode to manipulate the data is the one to be discussed. We are going to discuss first the measures of central tendency, which is a data set refers to a collection of numbers or values that relate to a particular subject. Data management refers to an administrative process by which the required data is acquired, validated, stored, protected, and processed, and by which its accessibility, reliability, and the timeliness is ensured to satisfy the needs of the data users. So this term is very important to the measures of central tendency. What is measures of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a descriptive statistic that describes the average or typical value of a set of scores. So when they are data sets, measures of central tendency is the statistic that describe the average or typical value of a set of scores. There are the three common measures of central tendency. So these are the three common measures, which is the mean, the median, and the mode. Let's discuss what is the mean. The mean is it refers to the sum of the number divided by n. The arithmetic average of all the scores, summation of x over n. The mean of a population is represented by the Greek letter M. The mean of a sample is represented by x. So these are how we are going to calculate the mean. First is calculate the mean of the following data. For example, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then next step, sum the score. So we are going to find the sum of that data or that score. 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 15. And next step, divide the sum. Summation of x is equal to 15 by the number of score n is equal to 5. So we are going to divide the sum from the number of score, which is 5. So 15 over 5 is equal to 3. Then we are going to find the mean, which is the mean is equal to x is equal to 3. So that is the value of our mean. And now, when to use the mean? You should use the mean when the data are interval or ratio scaled. Many people will use the mean with ordinally scaled data too, and the data are not skewed. That means is preferred because it is insensitive to every score. If you change one score in the data set, the mean will change. Now let's next discuss the median. The median is simply another name for the 58th percentile. It refers to the middle number if n is odd for a rank order list of numbers or the mean of the two middle numbers. If n is even, half of the score are larger than the median and half of the score are smaller than the median. So how to calculate the median? So conceptually, it is easy to calculate the median. There are many minor problems that can occur. It is best to let a computer do it. Second, sort the data from the highest to lowest. Yes, it is very important that we need to arrange the data from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. And then find the score in the middle. Median example. What is the median of the following scores? 10, 8, 14, 15, 7, 3, 3, 8, 12, 10, 9. So sort the scores. We are going to arrange into highest to lowest. 15, 14, 12, 10, 10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 3, 3. And we are going to find the middle or the middle score, which is the median is 9. Correct. And then Another example of median. What is the median of the following score? 24, 18, 19, 42, 16, 12. Sort the scores. 42, 24, 19, 18, 16, 12. So we're going to find the median or the middle score, which is median average of third and fourth score. 19 plus 18 over 2 is equal to 18.5. So 18.5 is our median. When to use the median? The median is often used when the distribution of score is either positively or negatively skewed. The few really large scores or the positively skewed or really small scores negatively skewed will not overly influence the median. Now let's proceed to the mode. It refers to the number that occurs most frequently in the list of numbers. So find the mode of the given data. So this is our example. 11, 9, 10, 11, 7, 6. So we are going to arrange this data into 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 11. So what number is mostly occur in the data? Correct. It is 11. So the mode of this data is 11. So unimodal distributions. When a distribution has one mode, it is called unimodal. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 11. Mode 11. So this is the unimodal distribution. The bimodal distribution, when a distribution has two modes, it is called bimodal. So it means that there are two most frequently occurs in the data. For example, 6, 7, 9, 9, 10, 11, 11. So there are two modes, which is 9 and 11. And it's called bimodal. Next is the multimodal distribution. If a distribution has more than two modes, it is called multimodal. So yeah, exactly. When there are 3 or 4 mode, it is called multimodal distribution, which is for this example 6, 6, 7, 9, 9, 10, 11, 11. So there are 3 modes, right, which is 7, 9, and 11. Yes, next one is no mode. Sometimes there is no mode in the data. For example, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. For this data, there is no mode because there is no number which is most frequently occur in the data. All of the data are the same mode or there is no mode data. And now, we're going to discuss is when to use the mode. The mode is not a very useful measure of central tendency. It is insensitive to large changes in the dataset. That is, two datasets that are very different from each other can have the same mode. Yes, a mode is not very useful in the central tendency. So the mode is primarily used with nominally scaled data. It is the only measure of central tendency that is appropriate for nominally scaled data. Yeah, you should remember this, that only the mode of measure of central tendency is appropriate for nominally scaled data. So now we are going to have an exercises. Give what is being asked with a given set of data. 1, 8, 3, 4, 7, 6, 3, 4, 9, 6. Find the mean. Next is 11, 10, 9, 7, 12, 13, 8, 9. Find the median. And next one is 5, 4, 3, 11, 12, 5, 6, 11, 12, 4. Find the mode, okay? Just comment down your answer with this exercises. And don't forget the following step on how to find the mean, median, and mode. So, alright. This is the answers. So, mean from the number 1 exercise. 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 50. Then we are going to divide the sums of score from the end, which is 50 over 9 is equal to 5.56. So this is the mean. Second, which is the median. We are going to find the median for those data, which is 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is equal to, there are two median here, so we're going to add that and divide it 2 by 2. So the median here is 9.5. Next is the mode. We are going to find the mode. Mode is mostly occurs in the data sets. So 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 11, 11, 12, 12. So for this, there are 4 modes. And what do you call this one? Right. This is multimodal distributions. And the modes are 4, 5, 11, and 12. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, I'm hoping that you will learn a lot from me and you enjoy the video. Once again, this is Aliana from BZ Math 3A. Thank you so much.